Yes, I'll be out. Yeah, are you here?
Social circles, but you're here racing a modified this weekend. You know, your usual job now is racing a NASCAR Cup car. I am now. I'm rolling.
Roll the camera.
I'm rolling.
Roll. Like Fred Durst.
All
Rolling.
No,
We're in Franklin County, baby.
that's motors. You hear that?
That's a young Jack Baldwin.
Start your engines.
Hey, welcome to the murder hole, buddy. Show them this view.
Hold on, let me show you the view.
Murder hole. I love it.
All right, the Smarty. I got nothing. This is so fucking dangerous. He's been fast at
Franklin County.
Florence County.